Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's continue our first lesson. So in previous lesson what did we learn? That Peter was scared and was sad because his dress was in Mr. McGregor's garden. So little Benjamin said that they have gone to the town and let us now go to Mr. McGregor's garden and search your dress. So let us see now what they used to do in a garden. They started walking hand in hand to Mr. McGregor's garden. They saw the scarecrow which was wearing Peter's coat and shoes and an old woolen cap of Mr. McGregor's. So who is wearing here? Scarecrow was wearing Peter's coat, shoes and woolen cap of Mr. McGregor's. So Benjamin said, "It spoils people's clothes to squeeze under a gate. The proper way is to climb down a pear tree." Saying this, he slid down the pear tree and jumped into the garden. So first little Benjamin came down a pear tree, then afterwards Peter climbed and jumped into the garden. The little Benjamin said that they would first get back Peter's clothes so that they would be able to use the pocket handkerchief. What he is saying? Little Benjamin said that I will take out first your clothes, then afterwards we will be using that clothes as your pocket handkerchief. So what he is going to do with the handkerchief? Let us see. So they quickly took the clothes of the scarecrow. It had rained during the night. When Peter wore his clothes, he found that there was water in the shoes and the coat had shrunk. Here shrunk is nothing but becoming small, a little, but that could not be helped. So Peter wore his coat. Then afterwards, little Benjamin suggested is nothing but giving an idea that they fill the pocket handkerchief with onions. Now what they are going to do with that? They are going to fill the pocket handkerchief with onions as a little present for his aunt. Who is the aunt here? Nothing but old Mrs. Rabbit of Little Bunnies. Okay. Now, then after they picked the onions, they plucked her a bunch of flowers. Since they would not be able to climb the pear tree with a heavy load of vegetables, little Benjamin and Peter started walking towards the other end of the garden. They went along a row of planks, nothing but the flat pieces of wood under a sunny red brick wall, flower pots and tubs. Now as they picked the onions and vegetables, then Peter was carrying the loads of onions. As they started moving, then they heard some noise. Then suddenly Peter stopped in a fright. "Oh, see, there is a large cat." And he was sitting right there. They quickly hid themselves under a large basket. So the cat, which had been looking the other way, now got up, stretched herself and came and sniffed at the basket. Sniff, 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 sniff. Then she liked the smell of onions because she sat down on top of the basket. Then little Benjamin and Peter started crying. The cat sat there for a long time. So what happened here, children? As they started moving to the garden for collecting onions in a Peter's pocket handkerchief, to give the present for his aunt. Then as they are returning back, what did they see there? They see a cat. By seeing the cat, they hid under a basket. The cat loves the smell of onions, so he sat over there for a long time. Then these two people, little Benjamin and Peter, started crying. Now children, let us see the remaining part in our next video. So keep watching. Thank you.